the world what you are all about. The name on the front of your jersey and the name on the back. Leave it all out there. Bleed blue for 60 minutes. Give it everything you have, and we'll be champions. Leave it all on the field. All in on three. 1, 2, 3. All in. Let's go. Yeah!
Pistol, and they try to go with the jet sweep. Balls loose on the ground, still loose. Tigers come up with it near the 50-yard line. And coming up with the football was T.J. Carter. The senior makes a big play in the ball game. Here's the snap. He's rolling to his right. He's throwing to his right. He's got a man for a Tiger touchdown. And it's Joe Dorcius. JJ with the touchdown. And it's 16-0 Tigers. Here's the snap, pressure, throwing, right side, wide open, Calvin Austin, touchdown, Tigers. Calvin Austin, 62nd catch this year.
Happy birthday!